We want to use Kubernetes to deploy the database, the API, and the front end. First, let's make sure nothing's running by using the kubectl get all and docker ps commands. Good, none of our containers are running. Let's look at our deployment files. In each one, we configure a replication controller and a service. Here's the deployment file for the database. Here's a very similar deployment file for the API. And finally, here's a deployment file for the front end. We've got Kubernetes running locally, so we use kubectl to apply these files. We do this for the database, the API, and the front end. We'll use kubectl again to verify that everything's running, which we can see that it is. Since our database is empty, let's go ahead and run the setup script to populate it. We'll do that by executing a command on the Mongo pod. Now we can use the browser to connect to our application that was deployed using Kubernetes. And it works. Learn more at cloud.oracle.com/containers/pipelines.